Let's be honest, the year 2026 is getting weird. We are officially living in the future, where your morning coffee is likely delivered by a drone buzzing at 45 miles per hour, and the tech in your pocket packs more processing power than a 1990s military supercomputer. But with global tech spending hitting a staggering $5.3 trillion this year, how much of it actually upgrades your daily life, and how much is just an expensive electronic landfill? Today, we're cutting through the hype, because right now, I'm going to take you through 10 true game-changing inventions, like a wearable that literally hacks your nervous system to cut stress by 30% in just 3 minutes, like an AI pin that processes 1.5 trillion operations per second, or a pair of glasses that literally lets you control screens with your brainwaves. It's wild out here. If you love engineering marvels, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Number 10. Ridge Wallet, titanium and carbon fiber. Your traditional leather wallet is a literal biohazard and an easy target for modern thieves. Enter the Ridge Wallet. Machined from military-grade Grade 5 titanium and 3K carbon fiber, this hyper-minimalist EDC essential weighs just 2.5 ounces, but is virtually indestructible. It blocks 13.56 megahertz RFID signals, completely shielding your credit cards from digital pickpockets scanning for data. Held together by proprietary military-spec elastic, it expands to hold 12 cards without stretching out, while remaining 60% thinner than your old bifold. Think about it. The average guy carries 1.4 pounds of useless paper and receipts. This strip of aerospace engineering forces you to streamline your life down to the absolute essentials, and it comes with a lifetime guarantee. It's essentially armor plating for your cash. Number 9. Leatherman Wave Plus. This isn't a pocket knife. It's an entire 8.5-ounce mechanical engineering workshop forged from 420 HC high-carbon stainless steel. The Wave Plus crams 18 distinct tools into a compact 4-inch frame, including premium replaceable wire cutters, a diamond-coated file, and a heavy-duty saw. Every single tool locks into place with a satisfying click, tolerating up to 200 inch-pounds of torque without flexing. Statistics show that 74% of minor household and automotive repairs can be solved with a multi-tool if it's actually in your pocket. This tool is standard issue for field technicians, aerospace mechanics, and engineers across America because it bypasses the need to carry a 20-pound toolbox. It's pure, analog mechanical perfection in a digital world where things break far too easily. Number 8. Garmin Instinct 3 Solar. If you want a smartwatch that needs a charger every 24 hours, buy a toy. If you want a cockpit-grade survival instrument, get this, built to the US. Military standard MIL STD 810 for thermal shock and 100-meter water resistance. This watch offers literally infinite battery life in smartwatch mode, thanks to its upgraded PowerGlass solar charging lens. It utilizes a state-of-the-art multi-band GNSS system, tracking your exact coordinates across 5 different satellite networks simultaneously. To handle your daily stress, Garmin integrated a revolutionary biosensor that works on vagus nerve stimulation, hacking your nervous system to slash your physiological stress levels by 30% in just 3 minutes. It monitors your VO2 max, tracks sleep metrics with 98% accuracy, and packs a built-in multi-LED flashlight. It's an entire aircraft instrument panel strapped to your wrist. Number 7. Insta360 X5. Welcome to the era of total visual capture. This pocket-sized optical monster shoots jaw-dropping 8K video at 30 frames per second in full 360 degrees. Featuring dual 1/2-inch sensors, it captures a massive 72 megapixels of detail, allowing you to reframe your shots after you record. For guys working on mechanical rigs or inspecting aerodynamic structures, The built-in flow state stabilization uses a 6-axis gyroscope to keep footage perfectly level, even during 360-degree rotations. It acts like an invisible flying camera assistant, automatically erasing the selfie stick from your footage. With an upgraded 10-meter waterproof rating and a massive 2,290 mAh battery, it handles up to 80 minutes of continuous high bitrate recording. It is the absolute gold standard for modern digital content creation. Number 6. Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. Stop holding your phone up like a tourist. These smart glasses integrate a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera seamlessly into classic Wayfarer frames, letting you shoot crisp 1080p point POV videos completely hands-free. But the real magic is the integrated Meta AI, powered by a custom Snapdragon chip that processes a mind-blowing 1.5 trillion operations per second. This AI engine looks through your lenses. You can stare at a complex V8 car engine or a broken circuit board, and the AI will analyze the hardware, diagnose the failure, and whisper the solution into your ears via open-ear speakers in real time. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, it holds over 100 3-minute videos. It bridges the gap between digital intelligence and physical execution, giving you superhuman sight. Number 5. Hobrer X1 Pro Max 8K. Forget everything you know about complicated drone piloting. This autonomous flying camera requires 0 controllers, 0 calibration, and 0 skills. Weighing just 6.7 ounces, you simply launch it directly from the palm of your hand. It utilizes a proprietary omnidirectional AI tracking system to fly itself, trailing you at speeds up to 26 miles per hour while filming in stunning 8K resolution. It uses advanced optical and infrared sensors to dodge obstacles with millimeter precision. The internal battery provides 15 minutes of flight time per charge, capturing complex cinematic angles like orbiting, zooming, and bird's-eye tracking with a simple tap. It turns high-velocity action and intricate mechanical motion into cinematic masterpieces completely on autopilot. Number 4. Next-gen NVIDIA Jetson Edge AI. This pocket-sized module is a literal supercomputer meant for pure engineering dominance. Delivering up to 275 trillion operations per second of AI performance. This unit allows you to run complex physics simulations right on your desk. It features an advanced neural interface that can sync with specialized EEG headbands, allowing developers to experiment with controlling software screens and robotic arms using raw brainwave data. For mechanical and aerospace engineers, this means running real-time computational fluid dynamics and aerodynamic simulations without uploading a single megabyte of proprietary data to an external cloud server. Operating on a variable 10 to 25 watt power draw, it packs 2,048 CUDA cores into a footprint smaller than a standard credit card. It is pure computing adrenaline. Number 3. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2026. If your laptop sounds like a jet engine taking off when you open a 3D modeling program, it's time for an upgrade. The 2026 Zephyrus G16 is an absolute titan, packing an AMD Ryzen AI 9 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPU. This setup delivers a combined 400 total AI top heaps of processing power. It tears through heavy 8K video rendering, CAD files, and complex structural simulations without breaking a sweat. It features a gorgeous 16-inch 240Hz OLED display with a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio for flawless color accuracy. Despite this terrifying power, it is housed in a CNC machined aluminum chassis that is only 0.59 inches thick and weighs just 4 pounds. It's the ultimate mobile command center for serious creators. Number 2. Apple Vision Pro Gen 2. This is where reality splits. The 2026 Apple Vision Pro Gen 2 strips away the bulk of the original. cutting weight by 20% while upgrading the dual micro OLED displays to a mind-melting 44 pixels per degree, meaning your eyes literally cannot detect individual pixels. Powered by a dual-chip architecture featuring the M4 and R1 processors, it updates images in just 12 milliseconds, which is 8 times faster than the blink of a human eye. For engineers and designers, it allows you to overlay fully interactive, life-size 3D blueprints right in your physical living room. You can grab, explode, and inspect a digital jet engine blueprint down to a 0.1 millimeter tolerance using nothing but your natural eye movements and hand gestures. It is the ultimate tool for spatial computing dominance. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro M4 Nano Texture. Sitting comfortably at our number 1 spot is the absolute peak of modern mobile workstation engineering, measuring an impossibly thin 5.1 millimeters. This is officially the thinnest product Apple has ever engineered. The revolutionary tandem OLED display pumps out an incredible 1,600 nits of peak brightness, while the cutting-edge nano-texture glass scatters ambient light to eliminate 99% of glare. Under the hood lies the absolute monster M4 chip, pushing a 16-core neural engine that executes a staggering 38 trillion operations per second. It renders complex 3D CAD files up to 4 times faster than previous generations. Paired with 2 terabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM, this isn't just a tablet. It is a flawless, uncompromising digital drafting table that redefines what physical hardware can achieve. So, there you have it. The 10 ultimate tech upgrades dominating 2026. We've gone from indestructible titanium EDC gear to pocket-sized Edge AI supercomputers, pushing 275 trillion operations per second. The blueprint of tomorrow is no longer confined to top-secret aerospace labs. It is literally sitting right on your desk, strapped to your wrist, or flying autonomously at 26 miles per hour beside you. Whether you're an engineer reconstructing a complex V8 engine, a digital creator editing raw 8K video assets, or just a guy who refuses to settle for average hardware, these devices prove that the boundary between the physical and digital world has officially dissolved. Which of these engineering marvels is taking over your workspace next? Drop a comment below with your number 1 pick. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Vision Base, and turn on notifications. We are just getting started exploring the innovations shaping our reality. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and we'll see you in the next one.